friends, it is me, HL Mod Tech, and I am back with another episode of my tested series. Today, we're going to run the little Snaptane A10 drone through its paces. So let's get cracking. First things first, this tiny copter is foldable, but I have got the guards on it so it will not fold now. These snap on super easy. It comes with an extra set of propellers and a screwdriver to put them in. It has a 720p camera. This is where you insert one of the two batteries. These tiny batteries charge on your PC. You can only charge one of them at a time. This is what the tiny charger looks like. This is where it plugs in. They take about 30 minutes to charge up. The light turns red when they're charging, and when it's green, you know you're done. This is the controller. It runs on AAA batteries, so this is your takeoff and landing. This one does a quick turn. This one enables headless mode, and this is a button that allows circle. These allow you to tune the drone so it stays where you want it. The app that we use is called Snaptane Air. I just added it to this iPhone, and let's connect everything up. When you insert the battery, make sure you do it with these pieces up and snap it in as you always would. I'm going to set this down and we'll power it up in a moment. I'm going to power on the device. There we've got the drone powered on. I'm going to connect to the drone's Wi-Fi. So you go to your settings. And then we want the Wi-Fi of the Snaptane. There it is. You can see the Snaptane just showed up. I'm going to go back to our app. And when we hit function display, we'll actually see the grass out in front of the drone. There it is. So to connect it, we do up and then down. And then I like to turn on the little sensors here so we can see how much battery and stuff. You can see that I do not have my battery completely charged. But let's get a quick flight and see just how long she'll go. So, one of my favorite things about this is that you can just toss it up in the air and it takes off. So there you can see it out in front of us. Controls are as you'd expect. I'm going to turn on the video mode, which is this right here. Let's get a little bit of video of it flying. And I'm going to narrate the rest of this using a microphone because I did not take my lapel mic out this day. As you can see, the little drone is quite responsive. I love that it has the little headlights on it so you can actually see it as it's coming at you. It is a great way to tell which direction it's flying. Really shows up whenever you've got a dark day like I do right now. The drone is quite zippy, responsive, and check it out. Let's use the 3D flip mode right here to do a vertical flip. How sweet is that? Of course, you can also flip them to the sides as you zip in, out, backwards, and forwards. I am not sure the maximum range of this drone, but I have had it quite a distance away from me, and I've had the wind catch it and take it away as I was playing with it outside when there's any kind of breeze at all. I think that is to be expected whenever you're playing with a device that is as tiny as this one. I have also not tested the maximum height I can get with this drone, just because the higher I get, the more there's a breeze, which makes it a little more tricky to work with. Right here I have got the Circle Me enabled. You can see that it zips around in a cute little circle nice and quick. And right now I'm going to tap that speed mode to get it zipping along just a little bit faster. I'm going to hit that Circle Me mode again just because I think it's so interesting how quick it switches between the different modes. Alright friends, I did not wear my lapel mic, so who knows what there I can hear. I may have to redo that audio so that you can actually hear me. I've been getting about 7 to 9 minutes on each flight. outdoor flights have been fun. This is one of the calmest days I've had. We're not getting a ton of sun here in Michigan right now, but it hasn't stopped me from getting out and enjoying some flying. Alrighty friends, let's try it in fast speed mode. Do you trust your own flying skills? That's the moral of the story, huh? So that if I bounce off stuff, it's no big deal. Just bring her in for a quick landing. Boom. Easy peasy. Doesn't get much better than that. Here's a tiny bit of the footage, just so you can see that it works. With me spinning, it just isn't that high quality and is really not that fun to watch. Alrighty friends, so as you can see, that is a ton of fun. Gets up in the air pretty quick. It's got the prop guards to protect it so you're not replacing blades all the time. You can run it in the house. You can also run it outside as long as you're not trying to battle a stiff breeze. That does make it a total challenge. Your video is only 720p and your batteries do only last 7 to 9 minutes, but I'm having a total blast. Of course, friends, if you're looking for a link, it'll be in the description, and if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HL Mod Tech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.